Hello, my name is Atrisk. I'm from Rexxar company. Today I want to show to you how to create your models on Django framework of Python. For first you should install Django and Python on your system. After installing this, follow me. In start type cmd, run as administrator, and you should go to location of installed Django and Python. My location is Python and project. Now I want to go to this location, cd project, and I want make new project by Django. Now I write this command, start project, and its name is, for example, second. Second was created, and go to second with your terminal cd second, and I want make new application of my site with this command manage.py start app. For example, its name is application was created, and minimize terminal and folder. Now start PyCharm, run as administrator, and open your project. New window, and create your models in application. Make a class, for example, class name persons, models.model, and make your fields, for example, person, name, first name, models.char field, max length, and last name. And in the last age, models.char field 3, and class, make a class, for example, orders. Each person can order, models.model. I want connect order ID to person's ID. For this, I should make an origin key from persons class. Persons, orders, model dot origin key from persons, and undelete models cascade, and delete this, and create details, for example, price, models char field, and time, models char field, max length. Now finish it in models. Now you should go to settings in second, and install apps, and write this command, application dot apps dot application config. and comma. Now you should install your models on admin in application. For install, you should import your models in admin.py from application.models import persons and order. Now install register admin site and register persons and admin site register order. Now save all files and minimize PyCharm. Now go to terminal and type manage.py migrate and manage.py make migrations, create model person, create model order, manage by migrate. Now you can run your server with this command. The server was run in this IP. Before you run your server, you should create super user. For create super user, I close my terminal and run again. Terminal, run as administrator, and go to location, and type manage.py create super user, create super user and select your username, for example Rexxar, email address Rexxar company, type Rexxar company, and password super user created successfully, and run your server. And go to your server, Rexxar, this is your class. You can add person, for example Rexxar company, age just 1 for fun, and add it. And you can add order, for example object 1, price for example dollar, and time today. Save. And thanks for your watching.